In this video, I'll be introducing AstroContacts. I'll demonstrate how to import a mass list of contacts, invite users, group contacts with tags, and show you how to manage your device lists, your admin users, and even your custom fields and tag names. Once you're logged into AstroContacts, you will be navigated to the contact screen. From here, you can add a contact and also manage your work contacts and team directory. To add an individual contact, fill in the information shown on the screen. In Contacts, add in the mobile number. Then click Save. From here, you can view the profile by clicking on View Profile. You can also tag a contact, but first click Edit, then add in the tag to populate the text box. Then click Save. Now I'll begin by showing you how to import contacts. First, let's take a look at the sample CSV available. This sample is your guide to the exact file type you'll need to import, as well as the column header names. Moving on, I will show you how to import the contact list. So click Import, find the CSV file, click Open, and then click Yes. As you can see, the import has successfully transferred over. If I click a contact, I can see their personal information, the address, the contact, company name, and other additional information. You can also delete the contacts by first clicking Select All, and then click Delete. Additionally, you can invite users by clicking Invite and then clicking Yes. There is also an option to sort the contact by either first name or last name. Also, there is a filter option. This allows you to manage your groups accordingly to the filter tags. Moving along, there is a list icon that provides an overview of the contact list. If you click List, it will display your contacts. You can search for the contact name in the search engine, or search for their information with the phone number. Now onto device lists. Here you can see the list of devices. It displays the email ID, the platform, device model, IMEI, the serial number, and even the last login time. The console can search for the operating system, whether it's iOS or Android. It can also search for the device model and so on. Another thing to note, you can manage the devices in your account. For instance, if a device breaks or an employee leaves, you can delete the device to make room for another. Now onto the admin user list. It displays a list of admin accounts. From here, you can add users if you click Add. Fill in the user details and then click Save. Once you add the user, you can see the new user displayed on the admin list. You can also edit the user information and then save new changes. Click Yes. Now it will display the new user. Alongside, you can disable a user by clicking Yes. You can also delete the user from the admin user list. Finally, the account settings. In account settings, you have Company, which displays the customer ID and the company name. You also have the license icon. In here, it displays your trial information, device license, and contact license. Additionally, if you want to purchase a license, then you can purchase it through the Buy Subscription button. As for generic account enrollment, you can scan the QR code. As for the custom field, it allows users to select values from the list that you define. You can create field name entry, field type, and category. After setting up the custom field, click Add to save the entry. Furthermore, we have tag management, where you can tailor or create detailed groups accordingly to the name, specific details, color, or even set the tag as a default. This allows you to group contacts together that may already exist on other lists. Moving on, Portal admins can create tags on the basis of name, details, and adding a color to manage these tags. You can edit the required field and save changes. You can also delete a tag by clicking on delete and then clicking on yes. Now I will provide an overview of the application on the mobile device's end. After your contacts enroll via invite email and log in with their credentials, they'll be presented the contact listed, which access are granted to. In this screen, you're able to see each contact's name, title, and tag associated with. You're also able to search for any contact associated detail in the search bar above this list, including name. Your end users can also utilize the voice search option. This will be handy for driving. You're able to sort this list from A to Z or Z to A based on the first and last name. When a user taps any contact, they'll see their colleague's photo to the left and their one-tap options to call, text, or email fellow contacts. And more of the contact details are available below. Another handy AstroContact feature is contact syncing, where you can sync your AstroContact with your device's native phone book contact list. Simply tap on the top left 3-bar icon. Tap on Contact Sync, then you see the Contact Sync initiated prompt, followed by Contact Sync successfully. Finally, you can see that the AstroContact list has transferred to the native phone book. Your users will then see their AstroContact synced to their native contacts. This is helpful in many cases, such as when needing personal and work contacts in one list for exporting and quick reference reasons. Lastly, in this section, users may filter the tag groups they'd like to view in their contact list within their app. And finally, we recommend your end users check their Enable Auto Update box within their App Store when downloading AstroContacts. This will ensure their app version is always up to date with the newest release. Lastly, at the bottom screen you can see that this is version 2.09. For more information, you can go to astrocontacts.42gears.com.